Have you ever wondered how industries like aerospace, automotive, and medical create those highly precise components? It's all about CNC machining. In today's video, we'll take a deep dive into the different types of CNC machining, explain how they work, and highlight their unique applications. Let's get started. What is CNC machining? CNC, or Computer Numerical Control, machining is a technology-driven manufacturing process that transforms raw materials into precise parts. With computer-guided controls, CNC machines offer unmatched precision, efficiency, and repeatability, making them essential across many industries. Types of CNC machining. CNC milling. CNC milling uses rotating cutting tools to remove material from a workpiece. This process is ideal for creating complex 3D shapes or parts with tight tolerances, like molds, aerospace components, and automotive parts. It excels in creating intricate designs that require precision. CNC turning. In CNC turning, the workpiece rotates while stationary cutting tools shape it. This makes it perfect for cylindrical parts like shafts, bushings, and threaded components. Whether you're working with metals or plastics, turning ensures smooth finishes and high accuracy. CNC drilling. CNC drilling specializes in creating holes with extreme precision. From tiny apertures in medical devices to large bores in industrial machinery, this process focuses on accuracy and consistency to meet the highest standards. Wire EDM, electrical discharge machining. Wire EDM uses an electrically charged wire to slice through conductive materials. It's perfect for producing intricate shapes in hard metals, such as aerospace turbine blades or high-precision dies. With its ability to cut through hard materials, it's invaluable for industries requiring extreme detail. Other specialized machining processes. CNC machining also includes specialized methods like CNC laser cutting and CNC plasma cutting. These are great for cutting materials quickly and efficiently, offering solutions for both thick and thin materials. While CNC milling and turning are the go-to methods for many machining tasks, specialized techniques like wire EDM and drilling serve very specific needs. For example, milling is fantastic for creating molds and aerospace components, while turning is essential for cylindrical parts. With its versatility, CNC machining serves industries as varied as medical devices, automotive, and aerospace. CNC machining offers endless possibilities, from precision to versatility. At Yijin Hardware, we specialize in delivering high-quality CNC solutions